Today is Ganesh Chaturthi and it's time to dive into a colorful, joyous celebrations that lights up hearts and homes all over India. For 10 days, the country buzzes with excitement and devotion kicking off the festive season. You might be curious why all the buzz about Ganesh Chaturthi and those mouth-watering modaks. This year, the festival kicks off on September 7, 2024 and it's all about honoring Lord Ganesha, the beloved elephant-headed god who goes by the names of Ekdanta, Vighnaharta, Gajanan, Ganpati and Lambodar. Ganesha is the ultimate deity for new beginnings and wisdom, helping us clear obstacles and achieve success. And those modaks? They are Lord Ganesha's favorite sweet treat. Offering them is a heartfelt way to show love and gratitude to the god who removes life's hurdles and blesses us with prosperity. Ganesh Chaturthi also kicks off India's festive season leading to Navratri, Diwali, Durga Puja and more. It's the perfect time for seeking blessings, starting new ventures and growing with Ganpati Bappa's guidance. So, why do we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi? There are two fascinating stories about Ganesha's origin. One tale tells of goddess Parvati creating Ganesha from the dirt of her own body and setting him up as a doorkeeper. When Shiva came home and didn't recognize this new guardian, he, in a fit of anger, severed Ganesha's head. Parvati was heartbroken and demanded his revival. Shiva, then with Brahma's instructions, attached an elephant's head to Ganesha's body, bringing him back to life with a new look. Another intriguing story is that Shiva and Parvati created Ganesha at the Deva's request. Ganesha was designed as a cosmic traffic cop, blocking demons and helping the Devas, keeping the balance between good and the evil forces. Now, how is Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated? The preparations start weeks in advance with artisans crafting everything from tiny enormous Ganpati idols. While many idols are made from clay, plaster of Paris and other materials, there's a growing trend towards eco-friendly options made of natural clay and dyes. On the festival's first day, the idols are installed in temples and pandals with great enthusiasm. The installation involves chants, hymns, songs and dancing devotees. The idol is placed on the decorated platform and the eyes of the deity are ceremoniously opened with the ritual called Prana Pratishtha. After 9 days of celebrations, on the 10th day, Ganesh Visarjan takes place. With heavy hearts and teary eyes, devotees bid farewell to the idol with the chant Ganpati Bappa Moria as the idol is immersed in water.